Luceco's FType Downlights. 3 simple options providing performance, aesthetics, and larger choice. FType Essence, our entry-level downlight for cost-prohibitive projects that demand high-quality downlighting. FType Mk2, the go-to downlight for retrofit installations and general use. Feature-packed, available in 2 stunning variants to include dim-to-warm and CCT. And FType Ultra, our pro-level downlight explicitly designed for first and second fix applications. Suitable for 500-volt testing with its VDE certified terminal block, while providing all the same dim-to-warm and CCT options found in FType Mk2. FType simplifies decision-making, providing flexibility and style. Suitable for any application, at the forefront of innovation. Rigorously tested to ensure safety and proven reliability. Fire rated at 30, 60 and 90 minutes. IP65 rated. Easy to install. Packed with premium features. Complicit with all the latest building regulations. Adaptable to your space and lighting needs. Choose Luceco's FType range of downlights to make downlighting choices easier, with simpler options and a wider choice. Learn more at our website.